Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. So today we have another idea on a mini album page layout. Now this project was originally a scrapbook layout that I did for my friend Donna for her challenge that she had at the time. And I thought that even though it's a scrapbook layout, it is very similar to a mini album page layout. And this is an old video of mine, and sometimes when you make old videos they get lost on your YouTube and you forget about them, and I think it's always good to just refresh our minds and look at, old videos and get some inspiration. So I'm currently away at uni at the minute, so I didn't get a chance to film a video, and my motivation is still a bit off to crafting, but I'm slowly getting there. And I looked back on my YouTube and found a few videos that would be perfect for mini album page layouts, so I'm going to upload them for the next few weeks as well, just so it gives me a bit more time to be able to hopefully get my motivation back and doing the videos. So this paper pad is actually an old one. I'll put a link down below if I can, if it's still available, and it's the Graphic 45 Halloween in Wonderland. I loved this paper pad, and all I did was I cut out all the pieces, so the die cut pieces from the paper pad, and they're going to be used to decorate the page layout. I've also cut the patterned paper, and we are going to have this photo mat at the top, and it will fit a 6x4 photo, and I just love how this turned out. So I'm now just going to play music and let you just watch me put this together, and I hope it gives you some inspiration, and then I will join you at the end when we have finished putting this together. And there we go. I think it turned out amazing. I loved this layout, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, then please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.